My name is Chris Lewis. I'm a strength and conditioning coach at Sport Wales, currently working with cycling and weightlifting. I did the internship 4 years ago, and from then I gradually progressed from sort of part-time employment after that to full-time employment now. Previously I'd done an internship during my undergraduate in rugby, so being able to experience an institute setting and also a multi-sport setting was a logical progression. Gymnastics was a big thing that I was exposed to during the internship that probably helped improve my technical skills a lot. Compared to my other internship, this internship is quite self-driven and you can make it what you want, and I don't think it's very unlikely you'll outgrow the internship per se, so if you're good enough, you'll be given enough responsibility to challenge your skills as a practitioner, but also provided sufficient support during that challenge.
So I'm Seb. I was an intern at Sport Wales in 2016 to 2017, and I was working primarily in my internship with para-table tennis and netball. So the big strengths of the Sport Wales internship is that you're kind of given opportunities very early on, so although it is a higher level of athlete, as long as you can kind of demonstrate that you're competent and you're going in with the right attitude, you will be given opportunities. There's a big focus on your career development as well as your technical skills, so they will try and help you build up as good a portfolio as possible, so that when you are come to the stage where you're applying for jobs, etc., then you're in as good a place as possible.
I'm Jack Sanders. I was strength and conditioning intern 2017, mainly working with Welsh netball and DSW wheelchair sprinting. The mentorship process has certainly been something that here has been a massive benefit compared to other internships that I've been on, being able to work closely with that mentor and set our own target. Plenty of opportunities to shadow and observe coaches in action with their own sports, but also we've been given athletes independently to program and deliver to, so that's massively upskilled all areas of my coaching, and I think as well just having that exposure to working with other practitioners and head coaches as well has given a really good insight to working within an MDT. I'm coming to the end of my internship now, still finishing dissertation, but I'm currently working in gymnastics outside of Sport Wales and I'm looking to carry on my work with DSW wheelchair sprinting.